So today we're gonna get up and we're gonna make a snowman. Where's the jacket?
By the door, hanging up on the thingy. Sit.
Your helicopter's gonna come make a snowman?
Yeah. Okay. Well, come on.
There's a jacket. Alright, let's go make this snowman, man. I'm using a mic today, and I'm using my chest mount. So I have my hands. We'll see how well this works.
Okay.
I even got the mic hooked up.
Oh, of course.
Hopefully I don't lose the mic. We'll
Sure.
keep an eye on it, I guess, yeah. See how slushy it is, though?
Yeah, it's uneven. See? This is ice, and you step right down into the snow. That's when it kills people. I need a party, no. Yeah, buddy.
Alright, you want to fix the one snowman, Bubba?
Yeah.
Need help?
Yeah. Can I get the shovel into a path or no?
If you want. I had the shovel here, they moved.
Yeah, the red one. Just back up by the door.
There's our snowman we built before. He looks okay. Oh, you want to put the helmet on him?
Yeah. That's nice, buddy.
That is nice, actually. That's a nice touch. Yeah, this is my snowman, Bubba. It kind of...
Yeah, but you said it. You did another ball.
Alright.
Are you making that? How do you like it going? Daddy.
Whoa. You want to throw snowballs at me now?
No. Don't get me.
Ugh.
I will get mommy.
I just broke his arm. I just heard a crunch.
What do you get mama? Oh no, my hand is wet.
He froze. Jackson, stop. Alright.
I would tell him to go on his own, but Teddy's
Okay, so we go like shape it, right? And then we're gonna like...
yeah, you can have
He looks
your hat back.
swag.
Okay.
Alright,
So we're
so...
gonna...
Yeah. And then like we take this. And then we, maybe you hold it like this and I'll fill in the cracks.
Okay.
Alright.
In a minute, we're making a snowball. In a minute, buddy. Okay, so we got a driveway thing. Gigi's coming.
No, I ain't Gigi.
No, it's not Gigi?
Nope.
You sure?
Yep.
No, it's not. You're right. I lied. No, it's not Gigi.
Alright, rotate it a little. Oh, is that it?
There's a little thing. Shove something in there.
Where?
Stick snow in that hole.
Stick snow in the hole. There's snow in the hole. JJ.
Buddy, you really gotta stop.
We got the message.
Hopefully it's not falling off. Yo, did you see how thick those icicles are up there? The whole fucking roof.
It's
It's ice.
It is ice. Alright, we got a ball for a head.
Alright. Now we have to pack it in there.
It's a tiny head, but it will work.
What, buddy? In a second.
In a minute.
No. I want another over to the house.
No, we're not gonna knock it over and go in the house.
No.
You're gonna be patient. And you're gonna wait.
go that way.
Then you go that way.
Oh, I can't go that way.
Get the front of him packed.
You got the front of him. I mean, he's looking like a snowman. Don't know about a nose and eyeballs though.
In a minute, you can trip and go in your room.
I bet you.
Okay, so get that scarf.
He doesn't have eyes. We'll give him the hat.
The hat is the size of his head.
There you go. That is nice.
You think that's good?
Yes.
No.
He's missing an arm though.
It's a nice scarf here. There we go.
He just doesn't have an arm.
He doesn't have an arm and eyes and a nose.
Right?
I can go get him an arm somewhere. I don't know about his eyeballs. Go find me. You know where the charcoal is? Alright, the charcoal. You want to go find a stick or you want to find the charcoal? Charcoal's in the garage there in the corner by Grandma's gardening stuff. Alright, I'm going to look for a stick. Alright, we're on a mission to find an arm. Woo! That cold air on the face. Oh. Okay. Oh, it's cold. Alright, we got this limb here that fell. What's a good candidate for an arm? Thinking this guy right here. There we go. Yeah, buddy. Jackson's getting cold. He wants to go outside. He's starting to get whiny. I got an arm, JJ. Yesterday, or last time I built these snowmans, because these are already pre-made, we were, it was like 40 out. So it wasn't as cold as today, which today's like 30. I got a sled.
No.
How'd that work out?
It's kind of nice. I think he looks fucking fly.
He looks like a bear. That's
Come over and
sweet.
see him?
No.
The tricky part here is doing the arm.
Took too long? Can you shorten it a bit? Honey!
No, it's good. The arm's good where it is. It's good. Jay! Stop!
Oh no. Honey, what did you do to him? He's fine. Don't touch him. So gonna fall over.
I want the wonderful.
Oh my goodness.
I do, right?
Basket is gone. Yes, you're gonna go to your bedroom.
Can we fix this underneath?
Hold him.
No.
Okay.
Jackson, if I take you inside right now, this very second, you are going to your bedroom. Wait.
No.
Nice.
He's top heavy now.
I guess just hopefully he stays and freezes. I don't like how his arm's positioned, but it's gonna be the way it is.
It's gonna have to be. It's gonna fall apart.
Let's see what they look like. I'm gonna go back here. Nice. Snowman. Alright. Well, I think we're good for right now. We fixed them.
Come on, then. I'll be back. Stop.
Alright.
Oh, right there.
I'll go by the sled. Alright guys, that's the alright guys, that's the video. We fixed one snowman. We built the other one. We built these a few days ago. I didn't film it because this is kind of a spare the moment thing. But Snowman 1, Snowman 2, sweet. And they came out pretty good. It's the first time I've actually built a snowman. This guy's like drunk. He's like, whoa. But yeah. But that's kind of it for the video. If I post this, if I don't post it, we'll see. But yeah, I'll see you guys later.